supposed to be a team. How are we ever going to catch this thing if you go gallivanting off on your own all the time? No, you're doing it again. Where are you going now? Gromit. Gromit. Really? You do realize I've made a personal promise to Lady Bobbington? How is this sort of behavior going to get us any nearer to finding the rabbit monster? Shh. Oh, Gromit. We've created a monster. Touch is the beast. The lunar panels. They must have overstimulated Hutch's primitive bunny nature. And now, when the moon appears, he undergoes a hideous transformation.